Okay, guys, so it is finally here. The recipe that saves all of the family functions. Good morning, guys. Today we are here making a banging macaroni and cheese. We are making not just any macaroni and cheese. We're making Kayla Shay's Southern old school baked macaroni and cheese, okay? Are you ready? I hope you are. We're about to go ahead and get our aprons on. Get our ingredients out. Kick off your shoes and relax, honey, because we're about to be making this house smell like a home, okay? So about time we get done, you will also know how to make a crowd pleaser and one that will also be a family recipe for your household, okay? Are you ready? You ready to get started? Get those aprons and meet me in the kitchen, okay? Oh, and silly me. By the way, my name is Kayla Shay. A lot of you already know me. This was a highly requested video. You guys said that you wanted me to get back in the kitchen, so here I am. I'm in the kitchen and we're ready to go. I just want to go ahead and introduce myself. If you would like to become a part of the family, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below. Turn it from red to red, Turn it from red to gray and become part of our family, okay? We have a lot going on here, but we're not here for that today. If you want to check out my channel, feel free to do so once you leave this video. But for now, we're going to be cooking for them babies in a minute, okay? Now, of course, we all know the first step is to boil the water and to add the noodles. So I just skipped to the next step, showing them in the pot. Okay, guys, so now after rinsing these noodles off in the strainer under some cool water, just to rinse off the starch and all that, we now are able to put the noodles in the pan to prepare, to start placing the cheese and prepare the mac and cheese to go in the oven. All right, guys, so now that we have our noodles in the pan, we can now start adding the ingredients. So we have already gotten our ingredients together. We have some milk, we have some eggs already mixed, we have some cheddar and some sharp cheese. So like I said, the milk and the eggs are actually optional. It's up to you. You can add more cheese. I definitely recommend putting the milk, but if you don't want the eggs, like I said, it is optional. So we're going to go ahead and get started in just a minute, and we're going to start with the milk. I'm going to go ahead and get that all the way in so that we can stir the other ingredients in thoroughly and really easy. It'll loosen things up. And now we're going to go ahead and start adding in the egg. Let's get all our wet ingredients in there, like I said, for an easy mix for us. Now let's add in our cheddar. We're going to get that all over. We can just put it on top because we're going to mix it all thoroughly. If you can, spread it all around at first. And now finally we have our sharp cheese. You can do any color sharp cheese, but I chose white just to give it a little color. Okay, guys, so now it's time to mix all the ingredients together. Yes, you heard me. Mix all the ingredients together. And yes, by hand. What better way to mix than with your hand? Now, as you can see, I have on a glove. However, you can use a spoon, spatula, whatever you feel comfortable using. Just make sure that all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Okay, guys, so everything is now mixed up. We have the cheese all in there. We have the milk and the egg all mixed in, okay? And now it's time to wrap it up in aluminum foil and put it in the oven. Now, I just want you to know, if you're planning on stopping this video, I wouldn't stop just yet because this is not the finished product. You still have more steps that I do not want you to miss. So don't skip along because you very well may miss something. We're about to go ahead, like I said, wrap it up, put this bad boy in the oven, and then to our next step. All right, so now we have the pan all wrapped up and ready to go in the oven, and now it's going to go in on 350. Okay, and at this point, the macaroni and cheese has been in the oven for at least about 30 to 40 minutes. You can now top it with more cheese if that is your desire. And about 20 minutes later, guys, here you go, your finished product. Enjoy. Come back for more recipes.